Does your live stream look and sound like this? Do you want it to look and sound like this?
Trust in the Trust in the Lord. Trust in the Lord. Say lean. Trust in the Lord.
Hi, my name is Jordan Deshawn, and I'm here to offer services to help you better your live stream broadcast. Just a little backstory about me. I've been in the music business for over 10 years now, and I've gotten the chance to work with some of the biggest and the best in the music business. I want to offer my personal services in helping you, yes you, craft the perfect live stream for either your personal artistry, for your church, or just for your personal business. Statistics show that the key to having a great and impactful live stream for your current audience and for future audiences are to implement these services. Having great music production, having great sound and audio engineering to make sure that the music comes through clear and crisp, having great lighting to illuminate the theme and the scenery of your live stream, having great camera work to make sure that you capture the right angles and the right picture for your live stream, and having a great live online broadcast system that is robust and reliable to make sure that your live stream will not fail while premiering or actually going live in person. If you're looking at incorporating different studio software such as Studio One, Ableton, Logic, or Pro Tools to help better your music, or are you looking to incorporate different editing software such as Final Cut or Adobe Premiere, we got you covered over here at Deshawn Production. Look, the pandemic has been hard on a lot of us, and live streaming is one of the ways that we continue to engage with our following. So with that being said, help me help you build the perfect live stream for your business, your church, or your personal artistry. I want to be a part of that. Be sure to follow me on various platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram that I will leave down below. And if you want to use any of my services, please email me at this email down below. I want to help you build the perfect live stream. Thank you for watching this video. Remember, God loves you and I do too. Take care.